What is pussy willow? Pussy willow is a deciduous shrub or small tree known for its unique, fuzzy catkins that appear in early spring. These catkins, which resemble small, soft kittens, give the plant its charming name. Pussy willows belong to the genus Salix and are popular in ornamental gardening and floral arrangements. How to grow pussy willow? Growing pussy willow is relatively straightforward. They thrive in USDA zones 4 to 8 and prefer full sun to partial shade. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. Choose the right location. Pussy willows prefer moist, well-drained soil. They can tolerate wet conditions, making them ideal for planting near ponds or water gardens. Planting time, early spring or late fall is the best time to plant pussy willows. This allows the plant to establish roots before the extreme temperatures of summer or winter. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the root crown is level with the soil surface. Backfill in water, fill the hole with soil, gently tamping it down to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly to help the plant settle. How to care for pussy willow? Caring for pussy willow involves regular watering, especially during dry periods, and occasional feeding. Here's what you need to know. Watering, keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the plant's first year. Once established, pussy willows are relatively drought tolerant but still prefer regular watering. Fertilizing, apply a balanced fertilizer in early spring to promote healthy growth. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for dosage and application methods. Mulching, mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Use organic mulch like wood chips or bark. How to propagate pussy willow? Propagating pussy willow is easy and can be done through cuttings. Here's how. Take cuttings, in late winter or early spring, cut 6 to 8 inch sections of healthy, young branches. Make sure each cutting has at least a few buds. Prepare the cuttings, remove any leaves from the lower half of the cutting. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage root development. Plant the cuttings, insert the cuttings into a pot filled with a mix of peat and perlite or directly into the ground. Keep the soil moist. Root development, in a few weeks, roots will develop. You can check by gently tugging on the cuttings. Once rooted, transplant them to their permanent location. How to root pussy willow? Rooting pussy willow is a crucial part of propagation. Here's a detailed guide. Select healthy cuttings, choose cuttings from healthy, disease-free plants. Use rooting hormone, dip the cut end of the cuttings in rooting hormone to promote faster root growth. Planting medium, use a well-draining medium like a mix of peat and perlite. Ensure the cuttings are inserted deep enough to remain upright. Water and wait, keep the medium consistently moist. In about 2 to 4 weeks, the cuttings should develop roots. Do pussy willows need water? Yes, pussy willows need regular watering, especially during their establishment period. Here's what you need to know. Initial watering, after planting, water thoroughly to help the plant establish roots. Ongoing watering, keep the soil consistently moist, particularly during dry spells. Once established, they are somewhat drought tolerant but still prefer regular watering. Do deer eat pussy willow? Deer generally avoid pussy willows, making them a good choice for gardens in areas with high deer populations. However, in times of scarcity, deer may nibble on the foliage. How long do pussy willows last? Pussy willows can live for several decades if properly cared for. The lifespan of the catkins, which are the main attraction, is relatively short. They appear in early spring and typically last for a few weeks. However, the plant itself can thrive for many years. How to prune pussy willows? Pruning is essential to maintain the shape and health of pussy willows. Here's how. Timing, prune in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove deadwood, cut out any dead, diseased, or damaged branches. Shape the plant, trim back any overgrown branches to maintain a tidy shape. You can also prune to encourage a specific form, such as a tree or shrub shape. What to plant with pussy willow? Pussy willows pair well with other moisture-loving plants. Consider planting them alongside irises. Their vibrant flowers complement the soft catkins. Hostas, their lush foliage provides a nice contrast. Ferns, they thrive in similar conditions and add texture to the garden. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow and care for pussy willows in your garden, enjoying their unique beauty for years to come.